Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Dork side. It is I, a friendly neighborhood dork in the road. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? I got my Versys back. Oh yeah. So I'm sorry I have not made many videos in the last couple of weeks. I realize you've come to expect more frequent content from me, and I feel bad. It's been busy, lots going on. I also realize I've been saying that for the last 2 months, but there has been a lot going on. So the good news is that I'll have a lot more free time here in a week or so. I just wanted to get out on the bike and give you some updates on some things that have been going on. And most important update right now, as you can already tell, is that I'm sitting on the Versys because I got her back from the shop. So Power Yamaha did a great job on the warranty repair. It takes Kawasaki, I guess, a lot of time to get back to you. So she was gone for about 8 days, but she's good as new. The oil leak is fixed. No harm, no foul, no hassle. They just took care of it all. I didn't pay a penny. Having that warranty is nice. Hopefully the second camera is working. So I've been communicating with Icon Techs a lot, and they finally just sent me another camera and decided the one that I had was defective. And this one that they sent me is it's newer. It's like a newer model, so I must have somehow got an older version. This one seems to be updated and everything just seems to work a lot better. So I'm optimistic that it's going to work well. I want to try to make this video with it before I try to make the review video of the camera. I want to have a little experience with it before I start judging the thing. So it's right here. You can see me. Hi camera. I don't know how I feel about the mount, so I'm kind of hoping it's not super wobbly, but I'm not 100% sure. It looks like it's not on there very well, so I'm not in love with the adhesive. Spoiler alert, I don't like the adhesive for the mount, but if I decide to keep it more permanently, I'll get some 3M tape and put it on there. I'm going to sneeze in my helmet. It's going to be gross. No? Maybe? Yes? No? Can't tell. Alright. Other things that are going on. I've been camping twice already. Gotta love this nice spring. Went once with my family and with Duck Fan and his wife, and then Duck Fan and I last weekend went up to Climb Buttes OHV Park, which is between Sisters and Redmond, Oregon, and camped out for the night and then did some trail riding on our dual sports. I'm an idiot though and forgot my mount for my GoPro, so I don't have any footage of the trip. None. We did it's real dusty, real high desert style terrain, some really cool rock canyons and formations. It was really awesome, and I have zero footage and about 2 photos that I took in the parking lot because I got new MX pants, which is awesome, but they don't have pockets, so my camera has to stay in my backpack and I can't really use it while we're out riding, so I gotta get a tank bag. That's one of my next purchases. I made fun of Duck Fan for having that Wolfman bag that he never uses, but man, I could use it. But with those pants with no pockets, I'd have my camera right here. That'd be nice. I need to invest in one of those. Hopefully real soon. Hey, if any companies want to send me a tank bag to test out on the trail, I'd be happy to do that for you. I'm so big now. I'm so big. Companies just send me stuff. I'm mostly kidding, but man, wouldn't that be cool? So I got out on that adventure, and the way that we got up to Climb Buttes OHV Park was in my new truck. I got a new truck. I bought a 2018 Toyota Tundra. Speaking of which, there's one right there. Hello, Tundra boy. Fellow Tundra bro. Traded in my Tacoma. My wife convinced me. I don't know. It was just a random conversation, and then 3 days later, I had a new Tundra. So my CRF fits in the back. The bed on the Tacoma was way too short, so I always had to put it on a trailer or that hitch carrier. And we're thinking about maybe getting a camp trailer and just a lot more towing capacity with the Tundra. I like the full size. It's really fun to drive. It's got all kinds of crazy safety features. It's got the thing that automatically brakes for you if you don't stop before you hit somebody, and it's got lane departure warning. It's got the coolest thing is the radar cruise control, where you set it at a speed, but if a car in front of you slows down, it'll slow down automatically and keep like a 3-car length distance. Is that cool or what? Kind of crazy technology. It's really cool. I got the cement color. If you haven't seen it, it looks like cement, but kind of a pearlescent cement. It's really kind of cool and unique looking. I really like it. I've done 2 major upgrades first to it. So first thing I did was I got the double cab, the SR5, and so it had really crappy steel wheels, but I found somebody on Craigslist with some TRD Pro wheels for 300 bucks. I went and bought them and had them put on. That was a good deal. 300 bucks for the full set, which I thought was good. And then this last Sunday I bought some Plasti Dip. If you guys haven't used that stuff, it's like amazing miracle substance. So I bought some Plasti Dip because I'm not a huge fan of chrome. So the emblems are all chrome, so I Plasti Dipped over the top of them, and now they're all black. It's a really slick process. If you haven't seen it, look it up, because the stuff, it peels right off. It's amazing. It's super easy to do. And there's some chrome accents on the bumper. I'm thinking about maybe Plasti Dipping those too. I'd like it just to be all no chrome. Not a huge fan of chrome. I like the flat black look. Ordered a bed mat. It got here, it's the wrong size, so I'm gonna sell that or send it back, because I'm dim. Update on the meetup. So I have not heard back from local business I tried to contact the partner with. So I may just proceed with the meetup without that particular portion, and we'll just meet up and go for a ride. There's nothing wrong with that. That would be fun. So I don't know, I'm thinking late June, early July maybe. It's gonna be hot as hell. Do it in the morning on the weekend or something. What's a good time date for you guys? Tell me. Would you rather it's an evening thing on a weekday, or like a weekend morning? Obviously we'd avoid 4th of July, but somewhere around there. What do you think? Looking forward to getting out and doing some camping. My hope is to, now that I have this bigger truck, to be able to just throw my dual sport in the back. And not that it's not capable of riding on the road, but you know, it's 45, 50 miles to the woods. I'd rather just throw it in the back of the truck and drive there than like be tired when I get there already, because as much as I love riding that thing, it isn't super comfortable on the highway. And then knowing that after I did all my riding for the day, I'd have to ride home super tired. I don't know, it's easy enough to load up, so I may just do that. My mom lives at the base of the mountains, kind of in a town at the base of the mountains, so I can just go to her house, park my truck, and just ride from there. Easy enough. Looking forward to some of that. And I do want to get out in Moto camp real soon, try to do some overnights. So I've gotten most of the gear that I wanted. We'll talk a little bit about that if you want. I ordered a few pieces. I got a new hatchet because mine sucked. Sleeping pad. I bought that shitty backpacking tent at Walmart, but I don't think I'm going to use it. It's not good. I have an old 2-man tent I can use instead. I got a camp chair. That was one thing I was worried about, is having a chair that would fit on this bike. So I got one of those ones that folds up like the size of a loaf of bread. I'm like right at the weight limit, but whatever, it'll last me for a year. I got a manufacturer refurbished one, so I saved a little bit of money. And you know, just your basic backpacking setup. I've got a bunch of that stuff. Little camp stove and some of those things. So what are you guys up to? Hey, I have a request for you. I have a, you know, some video topics going, but I'm curious what you guys want to see. So what kind of videos would you like to see? What are some topics you'd like me to cover? Whether it has to do with the Versys or the CRF, or I don't know, me as a person, or my riding experience, or Oregon. What kind of videos can I make for you? Motorcycling in general, those ones do pretty well usually. So what motorcycling questions do you have that you'd like the opinion of a third-year, middle-aged, overweight, bearded rider? Because, like, again, if you check my channel description, I don't claim to be an expert. I just, you know, I'm like your riding buddy on the internet. I know as much as any of your other buddies, except you can mute me when you don't like what I'm saying. So let me know. I'd love to make some videos that you guys would like to see, and give me your help with some ideas, because I want to get out and make a bunch here in the next couple of weeks. Alright? So, ladies and gentlemen, as always, I super appreciate you watching. Thank you very much. And please do not forget to be excellent to each other. Thank you.
Excellent!
Oh, baby, you want to get with ya? I want to pistol hit ya. My homeboys try to warn me, but that what you got makes me so horny. LA freak with an Oakland boot. L-O-L-O-L-O-L-O-L-O-L-O-L-O-L-O-L-O.